Hello. Next to go over for crowds on the shelf tool is target position. So before we do that, we could start our crowds by control left clicking on simulate. This gives us a general crowds. So right now if we press play, they're just going to walk forward. And say for example we want this box to be the target position. So you'd imagine that you just select the box and then click target position, similar to look at. So you click target position, you could do all states. That creates this pop steer seek node, but it actually doesn't connect the box. It does give us this Z value of 50, but that doesn't do anything. So by default this is the goal, and you could set the coordinates. So for example, if we just press play, the goal is in the center here at the origin, 0, 0, 0. Or a better example, if you want to set the X to 100. So the X is over here, they're all walking that direction. Otherwise, if you want to use the actual geometry, you could change position to surface points and then connect your geometry here as on the SOP path. So now our box is connected, our box is right here. And now they're all walking to the box. So that was just using this target position shelf tool, but there's also more controls you could use. So there's pop steer seek. There's also, if you click here, click tab, pop steer. There's pop steer align, avoid, cohesion, custom, obstacle, path, seek, separate, all these other options to control. But this is just the target position shelf button, which creates this pop steer seek. So yep, right now they're all walking to this box. And that's it for this quick one on target position.